In this episode, we'll take a look on one device which is truly useful for your PlayStation. Welcome back to another episode of my gadget experiment. If you're watching my channel for the first time, my name is Roland Rui, and my goal here on this channel is to give you some ideas for your gaming setups, some DIYs, some tutorials about many possibilities when it comes to your gadgets. So you could explore all devices that you have and you may have about its capabilities. If you're done with that, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel so I can continue giving you new videos similar or related to this one. Let's get right into this topic, but let's talk about this keyboard a little bit first. It looks so premium even if it's made out of plastic. It has rectangular portion on one side where you will find the two AAA battery compartment. It also comes with a rubber feet on all the corners. You will also find the on and off switch and a dedicated connect button in the middle. Now let's see how this device is connected. It will be the same as you were pairing your PS4 controller by heading towards to your PS4 settings and going to the device, then to the Bluetooth devices, and once you click on the Bluetooth devices, it will automatically go on its pairing mode. When you turn on the Bluetooth keyboard and press its dedicated connect button once, it should appear here. As you can see, the Bluetooth keyboard was detected by the PS4. Now click onto that and the passkey should appear. Just simply type it from the keyboard itself within 30 seconds. Otherwise, it will keep on sending new passkey if you don't able to do that. Green button will appear on the side of the Bluetooth keyboard, same as the DS4 when it's connected. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. As you can see, the directional buttons are already working, and it's also working on the text chat. When you go to YouTube, it's also working on the search bar, even in the whisper bar in Modern Warfare game online. So there you have it. I can definitely say it's very useful, especially if you don't have a gaming headset yet. You can maximize the use of the text chat feature of your PS4. I just even noticed now that not all third-party brands are incompatible with PS4 Bluetooth, and it's even working like its original Sony product. So please let me know what do you think. Please leave your comment down below so I can come back to you the quickest I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video.